Today, we dive deep into one of the most talked about military claims in recent weeks. Pakistan's Air Force has reportedly shot down 6+1 Indian fighter jets, 3 of them Rafales, using Chinese-made J-10C aircraft. But how much of this is fact, and how much is misinformation? Let's break it down step by step. The J-10C is a 4.5 generation multi-role combat aircraft equipped with AESA radar and long-range PL-15 air-to-air missiles. With these platforms, Pakistan achieved a new level of parity in air power with India. According to Pakistani authorities, 6 Indian jets were shot down in this engagement. 3 Rafale, 1 MiG-29, 1 Su-30 MKI, 1 Mirage 2000. India's military has acknowledged for the first time that an unspecified number of its fighter jets were shot down during strikes on Pakistani-controlled territory amid intense fighting between the neighbors in early May. Indian officials had previously refused to confirm even a single aircraft loss. According to French intelligence sources cited by CNN, at least 1 Rafale fighter was confirmed to have been shot down by Pakistan. This would be the first combat loss of a Rafale jet in the world. During 4-day India-Pakistan standoff, armed forces of Pakistan successfully destroyed multiple Indian military assets, including aircraft, UAVs, and military infrastructure, with several of these confirmed through visual identification from ground footage and recovered debris. First kill of PL-15 BVR missile. Pakistan Air Force PL-15 missile hit 3X Indian Air Force Rafale aircraft. Snecma M88 engine can be seen in wreckage. Fighter aircraft of Pakistan Air Force also shot down 1X MiG-29 aircraft of IAF. K-36 ejection seat in the wreckage confirms the aircraft type. Wreckage of Su-30 MKI fighter jet of Indian Air Force shot down by Pakistan Air Force, found in Ramban sector of Indian-occupied Kashmir. Satran Al-31FP engine can be seen in the wreckage. During the skirmish, a Mirage 2000 was also hit, but it's unclear whether it was brought down by a Pakistani SAM system or a PAF fighter using a PL-15 missile.